Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our sixth video on the video tutorial series on how to make a beam column plan for a building. So friends, in the previous video we had completed up to the assigning of our horizontal as well as our vertical beams. So in this video we'll move forward towards the finishing and final touches. So let's get started. So first of all, in our beam column plan we need to show our center to center distances. We had already set our dimensions earlier, and in the annotate also you can go and see that we had set this D75 for an assumed scale of 1:75. So we'll simply take this dimension linear and then we'll just start providing all these dimensions. So one by one we'll do this. For repeating a command in AutoCAD, you can use the option of space. And just move this, it's a little congested. So we have done providing all our dimensions here. If you want, we can just move this a little bit higher. That's good. So now we have provided all the horizontal dimensions and now we need to provide all the vertical dimensions. So we'll start from here, we'll start from top to bottom, and so let's get started. So using the space or enter command, we can just repeat any command, which is in this case taking the dimension. So we have given the dimensions, all the dimensions as per our center line, both horizontally as well as vertically. Now you can do one thing, you can just reduce the size of this along this side and along this side also. Then we can just trim the necessary portion. Here I will enter. So we have trimmed the portions which are not required also. Also we can just reduce the size along this direction as well. So you can take a rectangle here. So this will be it. Now you can trim the portions which are not required. Double enter. We simply stretch this to some extent. Okay, we'll do this later. So now we have provided the dimensions in two sides. Now for the representation of the grid lines, we can do its numbering. For that, let us select a circle first. So we'll just go to the circle and select this option, circle by diameter. We'll just click on any point and we'll give it a diameter of say 392. So it can give a diameter of 392, and we'll select another rectangle here. Click on any point and we'll give the dimensions of the rectangle as 40, 320. So these are the dimensions of the rectangle which we have provided. We'll just move this rectangle, we'll just take a center and just place it here. So this will be my tool for demarcation of the center line. You can simply hatch it also. HA enter, and then we can hatch this. Let us select a suitable, let's say we'll go with this. Okay, this is too much, go something lighter. This is okay. So we'll hatch this rectangle here. So this is ready. Now we can place any text here. For text we'll just select this and text, and then just click on here. Let us give a port name. Let it be A. So like this we can put the text in this box, and we'll use this for assigning or demarcating all the center lines both horizontally as well as vertically. So we'll do that in the next video, and also we will create a A4 paper size and also the title boxes. So we'll do that in the next video. See you there. Bye bye guys.